Ever dreamed of standing where history was made? Imagine seeing the rockets that propelled humanity to the moon and beyond. In this video, we're taking you on a virtual trip to the incredible Kennedy Space Center, KSC, in Florida. Get ready to explore the past, present, and future of space exploration. What is Kennedy Space Center? Kennedy Space Center, KSC, is NASA's primary launch center for human spaceflight. It's not just a museum, it's a working spaceport. Since December 1968, KSC has been the launch site for every U.S. human spaceflight mission, starting with Apollo 8. Located on Merritt Island, Florida, it's a sprawling complex dedicated to space exploration, research, and development. KSC is a fully operational launch facility where rockets are constantly being prepared for flight. You'll find legendary structures like the Vehicle Assembly Building, VAB, one of the largest buildings in the world by volume, and launch complexes that have seen countless historic missions. The Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex offers an immersive experience for space enthusiasts of all ages. It's where you can learn about the history of space travel, see real space artifacts, and even experience simulated astronaut training. KSC is a major economic driver for Florida, employing thousands of people and attracting millions of tourists each year. Now, let's talk about one of the most impressive and inspiring parts of the Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex, the Rocket Garden. The Rocket Garden is an outdoor display of historic rockets that represent different eras of space exploration. It's an incredible opportunity to get up close and personal with the towering machines that shaped the space age. See replicas and some real rockets, including Mercury Redstone, the rocket that launched the first American into space, Alan Shepard. Mercury Atlas, used to launch John Glenn, the first American to orbit the Earth, Gemini Titan SAT. The rocket for the Gemini program, which focused on developing techniques necessary for lunar missions. Saturn IB, a powerful rocket used for Apollo missions and to launch Skylab crews into orbit. The rocket garden provides amazing photo opportunities. You can stand beneath these massive rockets and capture the scale of human innovation. Each rocket has a plaque with information about its history, purpose, and significance. It's a fantastic way to learn about the evolution of rocketry. The rocket garden is impressive during the day, but it's even more magical at night when the rockets are illuminated. Here are a few tips to make the most of your visit to Kennedy Space Center. KSC is a large complex, so plan your visit in advance. Check the visitor complex website for operating hours, special events, and ticket information. Wear comfortable shoes. You'll be doing a lot of walking. Stay hydrated. Florida weather can be hot and humid, so drink plenty of water. To avoid crowds, arrive at the visitor complex early in the morning. Take the bus tour. The bus tour is a must-do. It takes you to restricted areas of KSC, including the Vehicle Assembly Building, VAB, and launch complexes. KSC offers a variety of shows and exhibits that are both entertaining and educational. Be sure to check the schedule and plan accordingly. There is so much to see and do at Kennedy Space Center, so plan to spend a full day there. Getting to Kennedy Space Center is relatively straightforward, especially if you're visiting Florida. Here's the key information. Location: Merritt Island, Florida. It is located near Cocoa Beach and Cape Canaveral. KSC is approximately 45 minutes east of Orlando International Airport, MCO, and about an hour from the popular attractions of Walt Disney World and Universal Studios. Many hotels in the Orlando and Cocoa Beach areas also offer shuttle services to KSC. The best time to visit is from January to May or September to December. We hope this video has inspired you to visit the Kennedy Space Center. It's an experience you won't soon forget. Have you been to KSC? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures.